Hey! To start with, I want to announce that we have created a Discord server for you, where you can ask for help on Blender, Unity, and different kinds of stuff. Hang out and find some friends. Feel free to join and say hi. Now, move on to the video. So you wanna create a perfect Obamium, but don't know how to start? I'll show you. First of all, select these verticals. Now press M and merge it as a center. Then you have to select this vertical and pull it down. And now you got a nice looking prism. Now tap at the materials tab. Hold up for a second, only 0.9% of people are subscribed to my channel. Please, leave a like and sub, it's not that hard. Anyways, thank you. Okay, now press on the shading tab, press Shift A over there, and search for an image texture. Now place it and connect color with the base color. You can take your Begginer texture, mine is in the description. Okay, you're almost done. Now press on the UV editing tab. And now you have to align all the textures. Select it and move it however you want. To move it, press G. Okay, we're almost there. And now it should be fine. Go to the material mode or render mode, however you want. Now I think I'll scale up the roughness and specular. We also want it to glow, so we'll turn down emission. Okay, such a nice looking Obamium. Now we have to animate it. We'll take a first clip, then select an end frame. I'll take 100, and then we'll turn it like 360 degrees. Because we want to create a classic Obamium, we'll select a half frame and move it down so it will float, just like an Obamium should be. Now we have created an animation. Look at this. Oh, sorry, we have to select an end frame. And now it floats. Okay, you've just created an Obamium. Congratulations.